What do these quotes tell you? If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants. If you cannot see where you are going, ask someone who has been there before. Know this, no one succeeds alone. Most top professionals had guidance along the way. The right mentor can save you years of trial and error. Why do you need a mentor? Because mentors provide real-world guidance you won't find in textbooks. They help you spot and seize hidden opportunities. Mentors connect you to networks that degrees alone won't unlock. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Join me next week as we dive into how to find the right mentor and maximize the relationship to your benefit. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to join the top 1% of professionals who excel in their careers.